A Gardener's Guide to the Cinnamon Girl Distylium. As a gardener with a penchant for unique and low-maintenance plants, the Cinnamon Girl Distylium has become a recent favorite. This attractive shrub boasts a combination of interesting foliage and a compact form, making it a versatile addition to any garden. But before you rush out and buy one, let's delve deeper into what makes the Cinnamon Girl Distylium so special. See more 16 species in genus Distylium at monsteraholic.com. Distylium Cinnamon Girl vs. Vintage Jade. I've grown Distylium Cinnamon Girl in my garden, and I love its rich, cinnamon-colored foliage that really stands out, especially in the fall. Vintage Jade, on the other hand, has a more subtle, jade-green hue that offers a classic look but doesn't pop as much as Cinnamon Girl. I've noticed that Cinnamon Girl tends to be more resilient to harsh weather conditions compared to Vintage Jade. While Vintage Jade has its charm, I find Cinnamon Girl to be a more striking and dependable choice for adding color to my landscape. How big does Cinnamon Girl Distylium get? Unlike its larger Distylium cousins, the Cinnamon Girl stays relatively compact. At maturity, it typically reaches a height of 3 to 5 feet and a width of 2 to 3 feet. This manageable size makes it ideal for smaller gardens, foundation plantings, or even container growing. Is Cinnamon Girl Distylium deer resistant? Good news for deer-plagued gardens. The Cinnamon Girl Distylium appears to be unpalatable to deer. This is a welcome advantage, especially for those of us who have battled with these browsing herbivores in the past. Is Cinnamon Girl Distylium evergreen? The Cinnamon Girl Distylium boasts year-round interest. Unlike many deciduous shrubs that lose their leaves in winter, the Cinnamon Girl remains clothed in foliage throughout the year. However, it's important to note that the foliage color can change slightly depending on the season. What makes the Cinnamon Girl Distylium special? Beyond its compact size and deer resistance, the Cinnamon Girl Distylium truly shines with its captivating foliage. New growth emerges a stunning plum purple, maturing to a cool blue-green. This combination of colors adds a touch of elegance and depth to any garden border. Additionally, the leaves are smaller than other Distylium varieties, creating a finer, more refined texture. How to care for Cinnamon Girl Distylium. The Cinnamon Girl Distylium is a low-maintenance shrub that thrives with minimal fuss. Here's what you need to know. Plant your Cinnamon Girl Distylium in a location that receives partial shade to full sun. It will tolerate some shade, but full sun exposure will encourage the best foliage color. Water regularly during the first year to establish a strong root system. Once established, the Cinnamon Girl Distylium is quite drought tolerant and requires only moderate watering. Adjust your watering schedule based on your local climate and rainfall patterns. Soil: the Cinnamon Girl Distylium prefers well-drained soil. If your soil is heavy clay, consider amending it with compost or sand to improve drainage. Fertilizer: fertilizing is not essential for the Cinnamon Girl Distylium, but a light application of a balanced fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth. How to propagate Cinnamon Girl Distylium. Propagating the Cinnamon Girl Distylium is a great way to expand your collection or share this unique shrub with friends. Here are 2 methods you can try. Softwood cuttings: take softwood cuttings in late spring or early summer. Choose non-flowering stems that are 4 to 6 inches long. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone. Plant the cuttings in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix and keep them moist. With proper care, they should root within a few weeks. Layering is another option for propagating the Cinnamon Girl Distylium. In early spring, select a low-growing branch and make a shallow cut halfway through the stem. Apply rooting hormone to the cut and secure it in place with a soil pin. Cover the wounded area with moist soil. Once roots develop, you can sever the branch from the parent plant and pot it up. What to plant with Cinnamon Girl Distylium. The Cinnamon Girl Distylium's compact size and unique foliage color make it a versatile companion plant. Here are a few ideas. Low-growing perennials: pair your Cinnamon Girl Distylium with shade-tolerant perennials like hostas, ferns, or coral bells. Spring-flowering bulbs: plant spring-flowering bulbs like tulips or daffodils at the base of the Cinnamon Girl Distylium for a burst of color in early spring. Other shrubs: consider creating a mixed border by planting the cinnamon girl Distylium alongside shrubs with contrasting foliage colors, such as golden euonymus or variegated holly. Where to buy cinnamon girl Distylium? Finding the cinnamon girl Distylium might require a bit more effort compared to some common shrubs. However, with a little searching, you should be able to locate it at online retailers specializing in unusual plants or well-stocked local nurseries. By following these tips, you can successfully grow and enjoy the captivating beauty of the cinnamon girl Distylium in your own garden. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance shrub with unique foliage and a compact form, the cinnamon girl Distylium is definitely worth seeking out. With its year-round interest and deer resistance, it offers a reliable and attractive addition to your landscape. Remember, a little patience in finding this special plant will be rewarded with years of enjoyment in your garden.